Okay, so about 2 years ago, a little over, we bought a used Winnebago, 2003 Brave, and we picked it up from some people that had been living in it full time and then abandoned it. The holding tanks were full, the entire thing was moldy, it was a mess, and it stunk like you couldn't believe. I had to drive it from Eugene to Yakima for 6 hours, and I couldn't breathe. I had to literally stick my head out the window. We were trying to figure out a way to get the tanks back so we wouldn't have to replace them. We came to see you and you said, hey, put this in your tanks, fill it with water, leave it sit for a couple of weeks, and it'll take care of all that corrosion and crust and grime that's in there. So we did exactly that. We took the product, we put it in about twice as much as you normally would, filled the tanks up, and then just let it sit. Drove it around the block so we sloshed around a little bit, came back, dumped the holding tanks out, and sure enough, we took a mirror down there and everything was clean. Our level meters started working again, and we were really happy with the product. We've used it ever since. Every time we go RVing, we put a little bit in, we let the tanks fill up, and we emptied them out. Had no problems. We're happy with the product.